The National Solid Waste Management Authority says it's working to clear weeks of uncollected garbage in almost 60 communities in western Jamaica. The agency's executive director, Audley says the public can expect late evening pickups to clear the backlog. Jamaica Maitland reports.
For weeks now, garbage has been piling up in sections of Westmoreland, Hanover and St. James. It's resulted in the creation of mini dumps in the Granville, Rose Hall and Spring Gardens communities. Some citizens have resorted to burning their garbage, others disposing it in nearby gullies, all of which are bad for the environment.
My communities are still Lilliput, Barretown. In some areas, so over a month, we have not seen the garbage.
The NSWMA said the shortage of drivers is the reason for the delayed garbage pickup. TVJ News caught up with Executive Director Audley in St. James following a meeting which was held to address the situation. When asked how bad was it, he wasn't able to say, only that the drivers are not passing the test. A series of theoretical and practical questions established by the Island Traffic Authority.
The test is rigorous. It is rigorous. Maybe if I have gone for that test now, I would probably fail too. That's just a fact of life. Some of us driving for a number of years, and if we were to go back to the depot and do the test, we would have challenges.
This aside, Mr. Gordon explained that the NSWMA is competing with the Canadian and Caymanian markets.
What we try to do is keep a constant recruitment process going. And even as we speak now, we are out aggressively recruiting drivers. And we have just yesterday finished 2 contracts for 2 additional drivers for WPM.
For Mr. Gordon, however, the issue of driver shortage is forcing the agency to promote more recycling to reduce the amount of waste being collected.
Ask ourselves the question, why at our small population we are generating so much waste for a truck to come by and pick up? There are some cultural defects that must be fixed. We are not composting as we should, and we are available to come out and talk to people about composting. That will reduce our garbage significantly.
The NSWMA says citizens in the affected communities can expect more late-night garbage collection as it tries to clear the backlog in the coming weeks. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.